Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Powerwash. Today we got a couple jobs on the schedule. I got Steve with me out here. We out here.
What up?
You know, when I got Steve, you know we going all day. I'm getting some SH right now. See the tanks behind me. I get it from Pinch a Penny. It's about $1 a gallon. So if you're in Florida, man, that's where to go. $1 a gallon, you can't beat that. So I'm getting filled up right now, and we're gonna head up to the first job, which is a driveway cleaning and patio cleaning. So I'll see y'all there. All right, guys. So we're at job number 1. We're gonna be doing this driveway and the patio back there. I got Steve setting up. He's about to start the back. I'm gonna be doing the front. I'm doing the driveway, the sidewalk, and the walkway, and he's gonna be doing the patio in the back. So check it out. So this driveway is pretty dirty. The homeowner told us already that this truck doesn't move, so we're just gonna have to clean around it. Like it's been sitting for a while too. So get rid of all this black algae over here. This walkway. So I'm gonna take you guys around the back so you can see what Steve is gonna be working on. All right, this is the back area. Sorry for the sun. It's a lanai. Got some dirt on it on the outside, as you see over here. The inside is pretty dirty, pretty rough. So we're gonna take care of this right here. It's gonna come out real clean. Steve is gonna be running his little 16-inch surface cleaner over here, Whisper Wash. He has 4 GPM, 4,400 PSI Simpson pressure washer. You know, a little beginning setup, but it works. It gets the job done. So don't let nobody tell you can get the job done with a 4 GPM. I started with one myself. I'm all soaked up down here, ready to go. I'm gonna let it brew up for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna start surface cleaning. When you know the SH is working, you see little spots, like they'll start bubbling up. That's the algae getting killed. So once you start seeing that all over, you're good to start surface cleaning. All right, guys, Stevie's in the back doing the full cage right now. I got the front dwelling, so he's gonna take care of this back here. Turn it real good. All right, guys, we all done. The driveway looks good. They didn't have the post treated. Couldn't get under the car, of course, because the car doesn't move, guys. I'm not being lazy, I promise. Oh, let's go check out the back. All right, we at the back. Outstanding job by Steve. Everything looks great back here, nice and white. All right, guys, we're all set up on job number 2 over here. It's an easy job, man. We don't have to do too much. Just drip edge of the house, that's all we're doing. He wants all this black from the side of the house, which is the fascia or fascia, however you guys call it, a drip edge. We're gonna get all that cleaned up over here. Got the drip edge over here, that's pretty dirty in the back. And tell the truth, we're probably just gonna use the brush. Use the brush just to brush that off instead of downstreaming it, because then we're gonna get it on the house. We don't want to get on the house because we're not gonna wash the house. So therefore, we're just gonna you know, use the brush with some SH on it, with some surfactant. Just rub it against the edge and just rinse it off. All right, guys, if you're wondering why am I doing it with the brush, like I said, we're only doing the drip edge. We're not doing the whole house. So I could have downstream it, but I don't want to downstream it, get it on the house, then I gotta wash the house, because I don't want to leave no clean streaks. So it's easy just to do it with the brush, keep everything where I want it, and I can just rinse it. So follow along. Check it out. What's up, guys? We're at the 3rd job for the day. This is a routine cleaning we do over here at this house, this customer. It's a house, it's a brand new house, really. It's been here for probably about 6 months. And he just wants us to, you know, come by every 2 months just to do a maintenance clean, get all the cobwebs off, spiders, and, you know, any dust or anything like that. It's a nice house, so check it out. uniform for Christmas. So there you go. Got Steve over here.
What's up, guys?
Thank you for helping me out today, man.
Bro.
My man,
Appreciate
you know what I'm saying? He's just starting out his business, so look out for his business. What's your name?
Aquanomics Powerwash LLC. You can find me on Google, Facebook, and yeah, starting out.
My man starting out, so he's gonna be starting his YouTube channel soon. So he's gonna have some content for y'all, man. So I'll see y'all in the next job.
All right,
Peace.
See you.